Add this to your breakfast to rebuild muscles fast after 60. What if I told you that one simple breakfast swap could help you rebuild the muscle mass you thought was gone forever? Most people over 60 accept muscle weakness as inevitable, but I'm about to show you how adding one protein powerhouse to your morning routine can reverse muscle loss in just weeks, starting with tomorrow's breakfast. This is not about expensive protein powders or complicated meal plans. What I am talking about is something sitting in your grocery store's dairy aisle right now. The reason your muscles are getting weaker is not just age, it is called sarcopenia, and it is stealing about 8% of your muscle mass every decade after 40. But here is what changes everything. The secret is not just eating more protein. It is eating the right type of protein at the right time, in a form your aging digestive system can actually absorb and use. And the food I'm going to show you contains a special protein that works twice as fast as regular protein for muscle building. As a nutrition researcher who has spent over 12 years studying muscle preservation in older adults, I've watched this simple breakfast change help hundreds of people climb stairs without pain, carry groceries with ease, and play with grandchildren again. And the best part? This costs less than $3 per week. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful ways to transform cottage cheese into your ultimate muscle rebuilding breakfast. And number 2 includes a timing secret that can double your results without eating more food. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments what city and country you are watching from. Plus, I've put together a complete senior's guide to supplements and health boosters that can change your quality of life. Link in the first comment. Let us start with why cottage cheese is the muscle-building champion most people completely overlook. Adding just 1 cup of cottage cheese to your breakfast provides 28 grams of complete protein, including the highest concentration of casein protein available in any whole food, the exact type of protein your muscles need to rebuild and repair throughout the day. Here is what makes cottage cheese special. Unlike other proteins that get absorbed quickly and then disappear, cottage cheese contains casein protein that forms a gel in your stomach, releasing amino acids slowly for up to 7 hours. Think of it as a time-release muscle-building formula that keeps working long after your breakfast is finished. Start with half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese mixed with fresh berries or a drizzle of honey. The key is eating this within 1 hour of waking up, when your muscles are most hungry for protein after fasting all night. After a week, increase to 3/4 or a full cup based on your appetite. If you are lactose intolerant, try lactose-free cottage cheese brands. For those watching sodium, choose low-sodium varieties. If texture is an issue, blend it into a smoothie. You will still get all the muscle-building benefits. I worked with John, a 68-year-old from Michigan who could not lift his suitcase into the overhead bin anymore. After switching to a cottage cheese breakfast for just 5 weeks, he not only managed his luggage, but started helping other passengers with theirs. His wife said it was like watching him get his confidence back. Now, while plain cottage cheese is powerful, these 3 additions will transform it into a muscle-building superfood that tastes incredible. Adding just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your cottage cheese creates a complete muscle-building breakfast that reduces inflammation while providing sustained energy and omega-3s that help your muscles recover faster. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. When they absorb liquid from the cottage cheese, they create a pudding-like texture while adding fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and additional protein. The omega-3s specifically help reduce muscle inflammation, which is crucial because inflammation blocks muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle tissue. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your cottage cheese and let it sit for 10 minutes while you get ready. The seeds will expand and create a satisfying pudding-like texture. Add fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of pure maple syrup for flavor. Start with 1 tablespoon if you're not used to high-fiber foods. Chia seeds expand significantly, so make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. If you have trouble swallowing, grind the seeds first. Mary, a 71-year-old retired teacher from Arizona, told me she used to struggle with afternoon fatigue that left her too tired for her evening walks. After adding chia seeds to her cottage cheese breakfast, she not only resumed her walks, but started leading nature tours at her local botanical garden. She calls it her energy insurance. For Prunvas, while chia seeds provide sustained energy, this next addition focuses on immediate muscle activation and strength. Adding a 1/4 cup of mixed nuts to your cottage cheese provides leucine, the amino acid that acts like a key to unlock your muscle's growth potential, while healthy fats help your body absorb crucial vitamins. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are rich in leucine, an amino acid that signals your muscles to start building new protein. Think of leucine as the ignition key for muscle growth. Without enough leucine, your muscles cannot effectively use all that high-quality protein from cottage cheese. The healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Choose raw or lightly roasted unsalted nuts. Chop a quarter cup of mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans, and sprinkle over your Chia cottage cheese. The combination of textures makes every bite interesting, and the healthy fats help you feel satisfied for hours. If you have nut allergies, sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds provide similar benefits. Watch portion sizes. Nuts are calorie dense, so a quarter cup is plenty. For those with digestive issues, soaking nuts overnight makes them easier to digest. Robert, a 64-year-old grandfather from Colorado, came to me frustrated because he could not keep up with his grandson's hiking adventures. After 6 weeks of this complete cottage cheese breakfast, he not only finished their planned trail, but suggested they take the longer route back. His grandson now calls him Super Grandpa. Now, here is the timing secret I mentioned that can literally double the muscle-building power of everything we have discussed. Eating your cottage cheese breakfast within 30 minutes after any form of movement, even a 10-minute morning walk, can increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 100%, making every bite twice as effective for building strength. When you move your muscles, even with light exercise, you create tiny micro-tears that signal your body to rebuild stronger. Your muscles remain in this growth-ready state for about 30 to 45 minutes after exercise. If you eat high-quality protein during this window, your muscles can absorb and use up to double the amino acids compared to eating the same meal at rest. Start your morning with 10 minutes of gentle movement, walking around the block, light stretching, or simple bodyweight exercises like standing and sitting from a chair 10 times. Then, within 30 minutes, enjoy your complete cottage cheese breakfast. This timing turns ordinary breakfast into a muscle-building powerhouse. If morning exercise is not possible, even 5 minutes of arm circles, leg lifts, or marching in place counts. The goal is to wake up your muscles and signal them that it is time to grow stronger. Then fuel them with the perfect protein combination. I know some of you might be thinking, cottage cheese, that bland, bumpy stuff from my diet days. I completely understand. But today's cottage cheese is nothing like what you might remember. Modern varieties are creamy, delicious, and available in numerous flavors and textures. Others might worry, I am too old to build muscle, or I have tried protein before and nothing worked. Here is what makes this different. It is not just about the amount of protein, it is about the type, timing, and combination. Your muscles do not know your age. They only know whether they are getting the right building materials at the right time. Let me walk you through the complete muscle-building breakfast routine that is transforming lives every day. First, do 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement, a short walk, light stretching, or simple exercises. This primes your muscles for growth. Next, prepare your breakfast. 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds mixed in and allowed to sit for 10 minutes, a quarter cup of chopped mixed nuts, and your choice of berries or natural sweetener. Eat this complete breakfast within 30 minutes of your movement session. The cottage cheese provides slow-release protein for hours, the chia seeds offer omega-3s and sustained energy, and the nuts supply leucine for muscle activation. Together, they create the perfect muscle-building environment. Here is your realistic timeline. In the first week, you will likely notice feeling more satisfied after breakfast and having steady energy through the morning. By week 2, many people report better sleep and feeling steadier when standing or walking. After 4 to 6 weeks, you may notice improved strength when climbing stairs, carrying items, or getting up from chairs. Remember, muscle building is gradual but compound. Each day of proper nutrition builds on the previous day. Some people see changes in 3 weeks, others take 2 months. The key is consistency and patience with your body's natural rebuilding process. Before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are managing diabetes, kidney issues, or taking blood pressure medications, please consult your healthcare provider. Cottage cheese is generally safe for most people, but your doctor knows your specific health situation. If you are on a sodium-restricted diet, choose low-sodium cottage cheese varieties. For those managing blood sugar, pair this breakfast with additional fiber-rich vegetables to slow absorption. Your strength is not lost, it is just waiting for the right fuel. Every morning offers a new opportunity to feed your muscles what they need to rebuild, repair, and grow stronger. This is not about perfect nutrition, it is about consistent, smart choices that compound over time. To recap, cottage cheese provides slow-release protein for all-day muscle building. Chia seeds add anti-inflammatory omega-3s and sustained energy. Nut supply, muscle-activating leucine, and proper timing after movement doubles the effectiveness of everything. The best part? This complete breakfast costs less than 1 fancy coffee drink and provides hours of muscle-building nutrition. Which part of this cottage cheese transformation are you most excited to try? I would love to hear your breakfast plans in the comments below. Remember, if you want, I will make available our complete guide for seniors on supplements and health products that can change your quality of life. Link in the first comment with a limited time offer. Remember, small consistent choices create powerful results. Here is to stronger mornings and stronger days ahead.